The renowned Canadian tuning atelier Inkas has unveiled its latest development, an armored version of the flagship BMW 7 Series sedan. The project's main feature is maximum stealth. From the outside, the car is virtually indistinguishable from a standard production model. Only subtle flashing beacons hidden in the radiator grille give it away. Nevertheless, its protection level meets the strict ballistic standard BR6. The armored passenger capsule and bulletproof glass can withstand not only fire from assault rifles, including the AK-47, but also the simultaneous detonation of two-hand grenades under the floor. Inkas specialists have installed additional armor plates to protect the battery, fuel tank, and electronic control module, ECM. The vehicle also features a reinforced suspension and special run-flat tires, allowing it to escape the scene of an attack even with punctured wheels. For the most demanding clients, an expanded options package is available. It includes a fire suppression system, oxygen supply to the cabin, night vision cameras, reinforced bumpers, and even an emergency escape hatch in the roof. To compensate for the significantly increased weight of the armor, the engineers chose the top-tier BMW 760i as the base model, equipped with a powerful 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine producing 536 horsepower.